4 meanings of 박. Welcome to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and click the notification bell. So today I'm gonna talk about 4 ways to use this syllable, 박. It's not the same thing as 박 as the most common Korean last name. This one is double G, 박, even though it sounds like the same thing. The first one, 박. This is outside. It's raining outside. 밖에 비가 와요. 밖에 you use with the location particle outside. 비가 와요. 비 rain. 와요. This is from a verb 오다 to come. This is how we say it's raining. We say rain comes. 밖에 비가 와요. It's raining outside. You could also use 밖 as a noun. It's cold outside today. 오늘은 밖이 추워요. 오늘은 today 은 as for. This is comparison particle, maybe compared to other days, but as for today. 밖이, 밖, outside with subject particle. 추워요, this is from a verb 춥다, to be cold. So technically it is as for today, outside is cold. But you could also interpret it as it's cold outside today. 오늘은 밖이 추워요. The second way to use 밖 is beyond. It's beyond my imagination. 상상 밖이네요. 상상, imagination, 밖, beyond. It's like outside of thinking. E is be verb. 네요, this is impression. Wow. 상상 밖이네요. It's beyond my imagination. 제 예상 밖이었어요. It's beyond my expectation. 제, my, 예상, expectation, 밖, beyond. 이었어 is from a verb 이다 in the past tense. 제 예상 밖이었어요. It was beyond my expectation. Third way to use 밖. When you use noun, 밖에, and negative verb, it becomes except for. There is no one except for you in my life. 내 인생에서 너밖에 없어. 내 인생, my life에서 location particle, so in my life. 너, you, 밖에, except for, 없어. There is no. In English, you have to add no one. This is talking about person. There is no one except for you in my life. 내 인생에서 너밖에 없어. The store doesn't sell anything except for coffee. 이 가게는 커피밖에 안 팔아요. 이 가게, this store는 subject particle. Coffee is coffee. 밖에 except for. And negation, not. 팔아요 is from a verb 팔다, to sell. 이 가게는 커피밖에 안 팔아요. The store doesn't sell anything except for coffee. The last way to use 밖. When you have number, 밖에, negative verb. This becomes only. This only costs 5,000 won. 이거 5,000원밖에 안 해요. 이거 this thing. 5,000원. This is 5,000 won, which is equivalent to maybe $5 in US. 밖에 only. 안 해요. Not, negation, do. Previous examples, you still interpret the negative verb. But in this context, you don't even think about negative. So 밖에 negative verb, that becomes only. 이거 5,000원밖에 안 해요. This only costs 5,000 won. 제 강아지 몸무게는 1kg밖에 안 나가요. My puppy only weighs 1 kilogram. 제 강아지 몸무게는 1kg밖에 안 나가요. So 제 강아지, my puppy, 몸무게, weight. And then we use the verb 나가다. They go together. 몸무게 나가다. 나가다 is go out. Weight goes out sounds weird. So this is actually two-way. But in Korean we say 몸무게가 나가다. 제 강아지 몸무게는 1kg밖에 안 나가요. My puppy weight only goes up 1 kilogram. So my puppy weighs only 1 kilogram. So just to recap about what we studied today, the first 밖, this is outside. The second, beyond. The third, when you use with a noun, 밖에 negative verb means except for. You still keep the negative interpretation. The last one, number 밖에 negative verb. So this becomes only. You don't interpret negative form. Feel free to leave your examples in the comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section as well. If this video was useful to you, make sure to give it a like, share this video with your friends and families. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.